Piping Knowledgebase is designed for facility owners, engineers, and contractors who use Sage estimating. It supports a wide range of piping projects, including pipeline and outdoor pipe installations, power generation plants, refineries and chemical plants, and other industrial processing treatment plants. This video highlights several Knowledgebase features. The Eos Piping Knowledgebase contains a piping model that streamlines the process of estimating piping projects. A model is a set of instructions for taking off everything for a work task. In Model Takeoff, you complete interview questions, similar to filling out an online survey. Based on your answers to the questions, Sage Estimating determines which items to add to the estimate. Interview questions can be modified by your database administrator or through EOS Group consultants. Select the piping model and click Interview to open the model interview. Enter a model reference. This value identifies the model on the spreadsheet. Each model must have a unique reference. The piping model includes graphics to help you visualize its purpose and use. Review the piping specifications and change or enter the specs as needed. Notice that defaults are preset for many of the specification variables. For example, valve and flange pressure class defaults to class 150. Next, review and complete the piping configuration details. This project requires flanges, hangers and supports, and valves. As you enter valve quantities, additional questions appear so you can enter quantities for other valve types. If you add flanges, the number of flanged valves first type question appears so you can enter the number of flanged valves for the first valve type. You can even add testing. Click Generate, and then click OK to generate the model to the spreadsheet. The spreadsheet shows the piping model we just took off. You can view the spreadsheet summarized to the model level, or expand at a level to show the assemblies for each model. Models streamline the takeoff process by including a complete set of items and assemblies for piping components. You can return to the model interview at any time to modify your answers and regenerate the assemblies and items in the estimate. If you want to see the items that make up the assemblies, simply expand the spreadsheet one level. All of the items required to construct this pipe are listed, including pipe, fittings, welds, other labor, and hangers and supports. Labor hours are estimated, along with the installing crew, and materials are also estimated. The Piping Knowledgebase contains over 100 assemblies. An assembly is a collection of database items that are taken off together and that collectively represent the total cost of a task or work segment. In assembly takeoff, assemblies are organized into groups of related assemblies represented by yellow folders. Simply locate the assembly you want to take off, double-click it, and enter values for the assembly variables in the variable pane. The assembly variables determine which items in the assembly are needed and the quantities for each. You can review the assembly at any time to modify your values and regenerate the items in the estimate. Click Add Pass to calculate quantities for the assembly items. Then click OK to add the items to the spreadsheet. To review the crew details, click the Detail icon next to the crew ID. When you finish your estimate, use Sage Estimating's Bill of Materials report to quickly produce a bill of materials for your project. With items, crews, assemblies, and a model design for piping applications, the Piping Knowledge Base is ideal for facility owners, design engineers, and contractors involved in piping design, construction, and installation.